Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove suggested pages on Facebook. Let's start the video. I start by opening Facebook app, then click on the menu bar. Now I scroll down and from the menu, select the Pages option. Now click on Discover, and here you can see the suggested pages. To remove these pages, click on the Remove button next to it. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.